Hello, dear friends. So, today I'm talking about how this industrial revolution shift from 1.0 to 2.0 to 3.0 to 4.0. So, in the 18th century, you can say that was the first industrial revolution. Before that, you can say there is Industry 0.0 when all the work was done by human efforts. But in the 18th century, first time we use steam engines so that we can do some mechanization. So steam engine make it possible to shift from industry 0.0 to industry 1.0. Then in the 19th century we switch from industry 1.0 to 2.0. That is, we use electricity and we start doing mass production and we are using assembly lines and so on. Then from 19th century to 20th century we shift from industry 2.0 to industry 3.0, and then we start using computer and automation using PLCs. And finally, in the today's era, we are switching from industry 3.0 to industry 4.0. Now we are using cyber physical systems for better connectivity so that we can get all the information in form of data, you can say, using various sensors and so on. So this is how you can say this whole journey from industry 0.0, that is when all the work was done only by single-handedly a human, and now we are towards the digital transformation to maximum extent. So this is how industrial era transform. So in the next video I will be sharing some more information regarding industry 4.0. So thank you so much.